Mas mabuti na yung nag-fail ka, at least sinubukan mo. Kesa you're playing safe because you don't want to fail and expect something different. Lahat ng naging successful, lahat ng naging milyonaryo, ilang beses silang nag-fail. Ang difference lang ng naging successful people sa hindi, they never quit. Kahit ilang ulit sila mag-fail, they always try and try until they become successful. If you want to become successful, do whatever is uncomfortable. Yan yung opportunity for you to grow, to learn, and to become a better person, to improve yourself, to improve your skills. What if kung ginawa ko to, naging successful ako? What if kung ginawa ko to, malay mo at this age, nakamit ko na yung dapat kong ina-achieve ko or nag-goal or whatever. Instead of thinking, what if, why not do something about it? Decide now and take action compared to you're just thinking that you want to become successful but you're not doing something about it. So take risk and see for yourself kung ano yung magiging result na.